Hello everyone. Today I will talk about a small trick in iTerm2. So if you're a Mac user, you probably know the following keyboard shortcuts. These shortcuts are not really for the terminal, but they work for any text input, say in the Word document or in the browser address line. So it would be nice to have those shortcuts in the command line as well. I actually have a hangout for the read line terminal shortcuts. For some reason, for iTerm2, many of them doesn't work. Many of them also works, but I don't know why it doesn't work. For SSH, they actually work. So in order to support that, there's another trick. So you can install some preset plugins in the iTerm2. So you can see from this answer, you just need to go to keys and then install some extra key mappings. In particular, they are called natural text editing. Then the terminal will behave the same way as the normal Mac text input. Okay, hope this is useful. Thanks for watching.